First of all, we need to go to the ICAI official website, that is www.ici.org. Then we have to go to the examination website. For that, we have to click on the examination. Then the examination website is open. Here we can see post qualification application. We have to click on that. Here you will see there is written for new users and existing users. So if you have already applied for the marksheet, then you have that request ID and password. You can see your status by clicking on the existing user. But if you are new here, then if you want to apply for the duplicate certificate marksheet, then click on the new user. So when you click on that new user section, you will get on this information. Here everything related to the application written. If you are applying for the duplicate marksheet, then you have to upload a scanned copy of your handwritten request and a payment of ₹100 per marksheet, 40 rupees for postage charges. So 140 rupees you have to pay online for getting your duplicate marksheet. Nothing more documents are needed for marksheet. But if you are applying for the duplicate certificate, then other documents are needed to upload here, and payment for that also is more. So you will get to know all the information here. You can pay by credit card or debit card. Net banking is not permitted. Duplicate pass marksheet will be sent to you within 21 days of the date of receipt of your request. So on clicking on the proceed, first that you need to fill, first step is basic information. Here for applicant type, you can see ICAI member is given ICAI student, so you will select ICAI student. Certificate types, if you want duplicate marksheet, then choose that. Your name, primary email ID, re-enter your email ID, then secondary email ID and mobile number. Then click on the save and next. Due to some problems, I was not able to capture next steps video, but I can tell you what details you need to fill in next steps. So after save and next, you will get a request ID and a password that you have to keep with yourself to see the status of your application after some days. So in the second step, that is details, you required to fill is the exam for which you want to get a duplicate marksheet, that is CPT Foundation in CA Inter or CA Final, and the month and the year in which you had appeared for that exam with the roll number given on the admit card of that exam for which you want your marksheet. So in details, only these information are required to fill. Next, in third step, you have to upload a scanned copy of your handwritten application. So you have to write a application to the examination department that you are requesting for the duplicate marksheet. You have to upload that scanned between 100 to 200 KB only, not more than 200 KB. And after uploading that, next step is for payment. Here you can pay by debit card, credit card or Paytm. No net banking is allowed. So after payment, you can say you will get a receipt of your payment. There your request ID and password and everything written, so you can take a screenshot of the same for future reference. This is the format of application that you require to upload. This should be a handwritten application. So you have to write to the Joint Secretary Exams ICAI, and your subject should be request letter for duplicate mark sheet of the exam for which you want your duplicate mark sheet.